we make like a 2 spoon of the yeast.
Mm-hmm.
But the water I cannot tell you because you have to control yourself with the flour, you know. You put like I suppose 2 pounds of flour.
Put 3 eggs.
No put no eggs. Put a little salt, not much, maybe half a spoon of salt.
Okay.
Half a spoon of salt, 2 pounds of flour. Okay, 2 spoons like that. But it take a little long. But you have to put in a warm things for raise them up.
Oh, let it rise.
Right. But you have to kneel.
How many hours? How long do I let it rise? An hour?
Sometimes it's an hour, depends how much yeast you put, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes if I want to make fast bread, I put a little bit extra yeast, it rise quick. So that's it.
And you have to knead it and knead it
Yes,
and knead it.
yes.
And what kind of pan should I put it in?
You ever know this one? You have some.
We got a stone pan. Yeah.
You have a pan for
Well, what do you
bread?
put in the stone for you?
Can you show me the one you use? Just maybe we can get one or something.
Maybe I give you 2.
No. We can get one like at a thrift store. No. Don't.
You want to make a bread?
Oh, the cook?
Yeah.
She got a rolling pin.
video. I'm gonna show it to one. Look at Nonna scratching.
Which way you got a stove over there to cook the bread?
In the kitchen.
On
It's
a
a
cabinet.
full kitchen like this. I also got a propane stove.
And the cabinet, you got a kitchen you can cook bread?
Just like that.
And the stove?
Everything but the
See what
dishwasher.
kind of
Oh yeah. She has a whole bunch.
like that.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
I got a 506 over here. But
I think you need more.
You need 2 more.
You don't have enough.
I give you, I got a 2 longer one now. Wait a minute. Let me see
No,
what.
they can't make too much bread. No good. Nobody will eat.
Nobody's gonna. Yeah, we will. I ate that whole loaf of bread myself. It's so good when it's warm. Oh. Was that the whole recipe?
Yeah, it's simple.
I think.
Why no eggs? I thought Nonna said 3 eggs.
You can put 3 eggs. You can put egg on the bread when you want.
Nonna, he said eggs.
If you want to do, but not.
They call it Hagen bread. You can buy in the store. You see the one that got they be like this one over here, like a tortilla. They turn around.
This is good for make a loaf of bread.
Okay.
If I give you 2 of them, for you, both of you, probably 2 will be all right. What do you think?
Just one.
This you can cook whatever you want. Put it inside the stove.
2.
One.
One.
You can make a meatloaf.
Yeah, good idea.
Do you guys ever make? Is there like an Italian meatloaf, or is it you make the same?
It's all same thing. I never make.
You don't like it, right? My mom eats it too.
It's good.
That's it. Say bye to. Say bye.
Oh, we got more. I thought you got some.
Say
here.
bye.